So this is the outside of the boat. And a bow ladder. It's not in perfect shape, you know. These stickers just fade away in time, I guess. There's the motor. Motor runs like a champ. I've never had problems with the motor, not once. Stainless steel prop. Got this little scuff mark on it the last time I used it. Put the bimini top down on top of it. I didn't realize it, but certainly doesn't affect the usage. All the lights on the trailer work. Even the side lights. I may hook it up and show you that it does work. Gas cap here. I've never ran anything in this boat other than marine grade gas. Not the cheapest, but it's certainly cheaper than repairing a motor. And I'm going to crawl up in there and we'll get a video of the inside too. So this is the interior. These fishing rod holders were on this boat when I bought it. I've never used them, but somebody did. The snaps in the floor is what holds in the carpet. I've got the carpet too. I took it out as soon as I got it and just been storing it. It should look new, I guess, but I've never used it. Here's the helm. This hole right here is a trim gauge indicator, and I've got one on order from Amazon. It should be here next week. Steering wheel, stereo down there. Let's see. Lights inside the boat. All the gauges do work. This is the old trim gauge. Just busted. It was just old. There we go. The stern light never worked. I've got one of those screw-on white batteries that I use. All of the upholstery was just redone in June. JL Audio. It's got cup holders everywhere. Little sink area. I've never really used it as a sink. I don't know. Storage here. Big storage. This is a little bait area. This is the bow anchor there. That's the bow ladder. The bow lights work. But like I said, the stern light, I don't know. I've never really tried to fix it. I just put that little flashlight on there, and there we go. The dashboard's all lit up. Let's see if I can get stereo on. I don't have my glasses. There we go. Got a AC adapter. To the best of my knowledge, all of these buttons work. Fuel gauge works. Speedometer works. Tachometer works. There's some more storage underneath the console. I just keep a little box in there full of tools and extra oil just in case. Other side, here's my tools. Ski rope. I don't know if you can see that, sorry. Stereo has a side remote. So there's the stereo down there. If you don't want to reach all the way down there and you're sitting up front, you can adjust it with the side remote. It does work. So this captain's chair is the only thing that I didn't have redone. Really because it just didn't need it. And it's pretty intricate. So if you're just cruising around, you can leave the seat down like that. Or if you need to set it up, you need to sit a little higher on the boat, you can pull that up and it puts you up higher so you can see over everybody. Boats or the seats are brand new. Storage underneath each seat. This one doesn't move. This one is some type of stern. I'm not sure what it is. It's access to the oil tank and all of that. And there's more storage up front. Life vest. Other side, more life vest. Got 4 speakers, 2 there. One there. bimini top. Oh, and this pole. This here is a ski pole, so you pull that up. It's not the easiest thing to pull up, but once you get it up, it works fine. Pull it up and turn it and lock it into place. There we go. It's got the swivel part on top. Works really good. We've had, I don't know, 3 or 4 grown men on a tube in the back pulling off of this pole right here, and it never wavers. Solid as a rock. Then you're done with it, you just slide it back down. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the power. What else? I think that's it. Oh, this metal thing here is for a table, and I've got the table. It's got a pedestal you just put down in these little slotted area here, turn it and lock it in. It's got a table on top. It's got 2 cup holders on it. I've never used it. I've always just kept it in storage along with the carpet. I think that's about it. I'm gonna hop out and maybe show you a little bit about the trailer.